This is the third and final part of the rebuild of the 1983 center console boat. From fiberglass work to fairing to sanding to finish. Piles and piles of sandpaper. Countless hours, I think over 200 hours I recorded on this project. I think I have over 400 and some odd pictures and videos of it. Right here we see some progress as I'm applying the nod and skid, but it's a mistake. I didn't prime like the directions tell me to. So I gotta start over, grinding out the non-skid back to the bare fiberglass and starting the fairing process all over again. But now we're primed and ready to start over. Now from the get-go to the end, we get to see the makeover take place. So what a journey for a boat that was probably destined for a landfill to a guy who doesn't know jack squat about fiberglass work. But to be able to have a vision of what this boat could be and digging into it, tearing it apart and pulling it off, I think is pretty remarkable. I love being able to see the before and afters of this thing. The transition is just, it's unbelievable, really. But a special shout out to Andy at Boatworks today. Countless hours I spent watching your videos to learn to do all this fiberglass work, and with all the mistakes along the way, I think it was worth it. Even with those mistakes, the total cost a little bit over $2,200, way over budget. Like I said before, over 200 hours into this thing, but still super pleased with the outcome. If anybody wants to see an extended video of this thing from beginning to end, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to put that together, showing some of the troubles I ran into, get into some of the nerdy details. Thanks.